Maker Monster. This is the Maker Monster show, and I just got back from Maker Central. It was a really good time. I met a bunch of people. I made a bunch of new friends. It was great. But now I am very sleepy, so today I'm gonna make a pillow so I can take a nap. Okay, let's go. There you go. Now you got a pillow. Pillows were actually one of the first projects I've ever made. I used to go over to my Grandmonster's house and be like, "Oh, can I make a pillow? A pillow, pillow, pillow." And then I would go and I'd find her most expensive piece of fabric and I would make a pillow. Just like this. Okay, I'm super sleepy. I'm gonna take a nap. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!